want to say hi to my friend?
Hi.
All my friend asking me about expenses in Australia.
Expensive too much.
Really? Nah, it's not hard. You have just to work hard. قبل واحد افريقي عم عم نسلم عليه. Hi brother.
Hello.
You want to say hi to my friend?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
I'm from Morocco. I think you are African as well.
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. We're from Nigeria.
Nigeria. I have lots of friends from Nigeria.
Oh really?
Yeah, because you know we are blood brother.
Definitely we are. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You know, last time the female teams,
Yeah.
the Falcon of Nigeria played with Morocco.
Yeah. Yeah, that was so hard.
That
Yeah.
was epic.
Yeah, you enjoy it?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Alright, man.
Thank you. You too. وي ما نشوفوا من نيجيريا. كيف ما قلت لكم البلاصه اللي فيها انا فيها الافارقه بزاف، فيها الافغان بزاف، حيت رخيصه ماشي بحال مشينا للسيتي ولا شي حاجه اخرى غتلقى المعيشه تما غاليه بزاف. السلام عليكم. كما قلت لكم العرب موجودين الدراري. ها نتوما ترى نسينا على جاب العربيه. تفاح $5، الليمون $5. Yeah. Yes, I do videos on YouTube.
What's your channel?
I will show it to you.
My bad.
That's okay. Yeah. Hey, she's Moroccan. Just do subscribe and do this. When I will share the video, you will see it straight away.
Alright, no worries, man. All the best.
Have a good one. Thank you so much.